Hello traders and Market Club members everywhere. A very happy St. Patrick's Day to you all. And if you're Irish, well, I hope you have all the luck of the Irish. Well, let's hope we all have the luck of the Irish in 2015. We're going to be following up on the four markets we looked at in our 52-week high strategy on Friday.
Okay, let's look at the 52-week new highs on a Friday rule. What does it mean? Well, the good thing is there's only three rules that you need to trade. And remember, rule number one, on a new 52-week high, when the market closes at or close to its highs on a Friday, buy and go home long for the weekend. Now, you want it to close pretty close to the highs of the day, not necessarily on the exact high, but close to the highs. Rule number two, exit this long position on the opening the following Tuesday. So you're going to buy it on Friday, sell it on Tuesday. Very short term. Rule number three, if the market opens sharply lower on Monday, exit the position immediately, take the loss, and move on. There you have it. These are the only three rules you need to trade the 52-week new highs on a Friday rule successfully. The rule applies also to futures and Forex, and you can reverse the rule. If it's at 52-week lows, you can actually short the market if you feel comfortable doing that. Simple approach and very effective.
Here are the four stocks we thought would do well this weekend. We want to share with you exactly how they've done and how you would have traded them going into the weekend. Okay, so here we are. The first stock we're looking at is NXPI Semiconductor. That's one of the ones we looked at. If you look at our smart scan, there it is right there. That's what we showed you. You can look at the video, last week's video, Friday's video. You'll see that's exactly what we were looking at. And the other stocks were Freescale Semiconductor, Ulta Cosmetics, and Dollar Tree Stores. So they're the four that we looked at. Now I want to share with you exactly how we did with those stocks. Well, the first stock, we would have purchased it right here on the close, and it closed at 104.47. They may have got it early if you had followed our lead, but you do it as close to the close as possible. So 104.47 is our official close. You can see that right here. That's right in the top. There we show you the highs and lows for the 13th. So 104.47. The market did actually perform better on Monday, but did not perform well on Tuesday. So we exited this position at 103.27 and took a loss on the position of 1.21%. Now remember that we'll do all the percentages later on, but that was the loss we took on the position. So we bought it here and we exited right here, which are the rules. Now the next stock we took was a stock Freescale Semiconductor. We purchased it here, and that was at 42.41. We exited the position on Tuesday, again, according to the rules, and we took a loss of 0.56% on that trade. Not doing too well. So let's go to the next stock. This is a stock I want to share with you. This is the stock you should not have taken. Now, I'll tell you the reason why. You can see the market rose very highly on Friday. By the time we were doing our report around here, it just continued to fall all day. So you would not have taken this trade. Now, I'll tell you the reason why. It's because it did not perform the way it should have performed. You want a stock that's going to close at or close to its high on a Friday, not at or close to its low for the day. That's very, very important. Let me just say that again. If you're going to use the 52-week high strategy, you want to be long stocks that are closing at or close to their highs. Not when they're closing at or close to their lows, certainly lower for when they opened. So that's an important element you must remember. So we did not take this trade. So therefore we didn't make any money or lose any money. Dollar Tree Stores we did take. So this was where the market closed on Friday the 13th, and 81.91 was the trade. We had a nice day yesterday, and there was no follow through today. So we immediately exited this position at 83.38. That produced a profit of 1.77%. So we've had three trades, two of which were losing trades or break-even trades, let's say, but nonetheless we did have a nice winning trade. Now this is how it happens. It's best to have at least 3 or 4 stocks if you can find them on a Friday so you have some diversification. So this is how everything turned out. On Semiconductor Semiconductor, we lost 1.21%. On Freescale Semiconductor, we lost 0.56%. and on Dollar Tree stores, we made 1.77%. So we ended up not making any money, but not losing any money either. Normally you would make money, but this shows you how it can be a break-even or even a losing situation. But in this case, it was just a break-even situation with losing 1.77% and making 1.7%. Hey, this is Adam Hewison for Market Club. Have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day and the luck of the Irish to you in 2015. I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by.